Hi, I'm Miss Reed, and this is Shakespeare, a half-year elective. If we are such stuff as dreams are made on, this class is every Shakespeare lover's dream. And this is not your regular old English, we're going to study Shakespeare kind of class. Who knew Shakespeare could be so fun? We're going to do everything from writing our own sonnets to doing film comparisons of different versions of the play to doing a TV series review on the excellent BBC series called The Hollow Crown. If any of you are fans of the movie She's the Man, it's actually based on a Shakespeare play. So we're going to be doing a nice comparison from She's the Man to Twelfth Night, the play that's originally based on. For those of you who into 90s films, O is a high school basketball movie that's actually based on Othello. We also have 10 Things I Hate About You based on Taming of the Shrew. So a lot of really cool adaptations that we're going to be taking a look at. We're also going to have some lit circles where it's student run. You guys get to kind of explore your creativity and work together to have a book club. And my favorite part of the course is always a field trip to the New Jersey Shakespeare Theater to see Shakespeare in action. The real point of this class is to see Shakespeare and explore Shakespeare as it's meant to be seen and explored, which is through performance. That's why we're going to be watching a lot of film versions, movie comparisons. You're not going to be assigned big chunks of reading to do at home. If we're reading together in class. We're acting things out. So this is any English lover's dream, any theater lover's dream. This is the class for you. It's a nice way to take a break from the, regular academic classes of the day. A lot of you have to be doing the required financial course as a half-year course. This is a great pairing to go with that so that you have that full year mapped out. The overview of each of our units, we're going to be studying Shakespearean sonnets, the tragedy plays, the history plays, the comedies, and then there's going to be a little bit of choice where you can kind of get to read whatever you'd like. So there's a wide world of Shakespeare out there that we don't really get to explore. You'll almost never be reading a comedy in English class. We're going to be talking about the comedies and really seeing that Shakespeare was not only a great writer, but he was also actually pretty funny. I really look forward to getting to see some of you on course preview day to answer your questions. So hope to see you there. Thanks.